Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check your email ID on Amazon account. So let's dive into it. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon website at amazon.com. It will bring you to the Amazon homepage. Sign into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once signed in, hover over the Account and List drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the page. In the drop-down menu, you will see several options. From the list, select Your Account option. It will open your account page. Here you can see all the options, settings, and information related to your Amazon account. Here, select the login and security. It will ask you for the password. Enter your password and sign in. On the next page, you will see all your account information. In the email section, you can see your email ID listed, and there you have it. With this method, you can check your email ID on your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.